Have you ever bought honey only to later discover it was fake? In today's video, I'm exposing exactly how fake honey is made, so you never fall victim again. To show you how easy it is to deceive people, I start by adding 2 cups of granulated sugar into a pan on a medium-low heat. I stir occasionally until the sugar completely melts into a syrup. Next, I pour in 1 cup of hot water. As you can see, it forms some clumps at first, but with continuous stirring, it dissolved into a clear thick syrup. Now watch this. Fake honey needs thickness. So I dissolve 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 3 tablespoons of water. Then pour it in while stirring. This gives it that sticky honey-like texture. To enhance the flavor and tricks the senses, add just 1 tablespoon of real honey. Yes, only 1. Stir everything together. Turn off the heat. Let it cool slightly and then transfer into an airtight jar. And it is done. This looks like honey, pour like honey, and the shocking part, it even tastes like real honey. You can't tell the difference just by tasting it. This is exactly how many fake honey on the market are made. Cheap, sugary, and unhealthy, yet sold as pure honey to unsuspecting buyers. In my next video, I will reveal how to test honey at home and spot fake honey instantly. So make sure you don't miss it. Protect yourself, protect your family because just tasting it is not enough.